Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I've got all kinds of containers to put paint into, starting with some enamels in everything. And enamels will often make cells, and I may have to do another painting if I have too much paint, but I think I can get away with this. So there's my enamels, and I have some red fire opal that I want to play with. And I may bring that back again. And this is from Modern Masters, and that is in need of being shaken. And very similar to the fire opal, but not exactly the same. And I am going to just keep making up pans of colors until I get enough paint. I think that's a Folk-Art gold. So I want to use my 20 by 24 by 2 inch canvas. And I'm going to use some white metallic from Anita's. And I'm going to check and see that everything looks kind of interesting. I'm also going to use some regular black, which is just my Artist Loft black, with a little bit of, actually 50-50, Artist Loft and Walmart semi-gloss. This is an Anita's metallic black. My idea is to add some colors I didn't add the last time. That is a 24 karat gold with a little bit of orange in it. And I didn't use any silver last time, and I seldom ever use silver, and I'm going to do it this time. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link. Under the link tree. That's right under the video. I'd like these colors to look a little different. This is a Deco-Art 24 karat gold. Got some nice cells happening. I've got some bronze. I'm not sure which brand it is. A friend of mine sent me some paint that she was no longer using. Thank you, Kim. And I want to add a little bit of copper. And maybe bring back some more fire opal and some more white. And maybe even some more black. And a little bit more of that fire opal. And what else? I don't think I have nearly enough of this orange in there because it's gorgeous. And I'm going to finish up with some gold. And everything else is going to be subject to my deciding to add a little bit of color, and it's not going to be much. So this one's going to be the one with the purple in it, and this one's going to be the one with the pink in it. That is a purple flash from Folk-Art. The purple, I'm not sure what it is. The blue is a Venetian blue, and it often sinks, so it may sink now. In which case, I'll just use some afterwards if I want to. Move my bottles out of the way and bring my canvas over, which is hard to balance. I'm just going to move everything as far away as I can possibly get it for right now. And my shovel, and leave my dustpan handy. Here comes the big one. Now, I kind of figured in order to save myself some trouble, I would just try and get my paint to come to the forefront. I may not want to use any of those other colors, and I might have to manipulate things kind of a lot. That's pretty cool. Maybe just one dustpan will do it. Who knows? Chances are good I won't be using just one dustpan, but it's kind of fun to play with. I keep trying to develop new ways to release paint from these things and make new patterns, and I am making some progress. I'm obviously going to be doing another painting very shortly. You do have to let the object that you're releasing from slow down a little bit. What do I want to do with that? I'm not sure. But since it's a puddle of paint, I really like what I've got in my dustpan, but I think what I'm going to do is add a little bit more paint to it. From one of my containers, being the one with the purple in it. I don't know if that'll show. I love how that spread those bits and particles. I think that's just awesome. There is a little manipulation problem here. I'm going to try and get my paint to go down. And release as much of it as I can. And it's not coming out evenly, so I'm going to compensate from that for that. And I'm going to use my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, available on the Amazon link under Show More. I'm going to go ahead and excavate whatever's in the dustpan and try and use it. Now I have a really cool design in my opinion. But I might want to use up the paint that I've got. Chances are good, in fact. Sorry, I'm kind of focused on doing what I'm doing, and I'm having a really good time doing it too. So I'm just going to keep dipping my spatula in to the colors I've got left over and excavating them out of my dustpan, which is almost clean. And that will go right into the bucket. And I might put some other colors on top of that, right out of my stash over here. I'm not sure you can see that. I'm sorry about that. I hope you can see quite a bit of that. I'm going to grab my shovel and use some of my purples. Because some alternative colors are a good idea, in my opinion. And I'm going to use the color that's there already to flow more paint down over the edge of the canvas and somewhat match it up. There we go. I don't know, I probably could have left this early on, to be honest with you. And I'm kind of wishing that I had some of my turquoise up there, but I think I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit more paint. And I'm not trying to make any exact marks. I'm just dribbling out of the corner of my shovel. And I don't want to go so far that I regret my choice. But I also want to put some dots in somewhere. Not counting the one I just put in by accident, dripping. And I really, really want to flow some paint over the edge of the canvas in these areas. Adding another little layer makes it look kind of dimensional. I'm really hoping you can see all that. I'm just going to keep adding a shovelful. I know you can't see this one, but it looks pretty cool. Sorry I'm quiet. I'm really trying to get this to look like something I really like. And I like it a lot. But I want to grab some of this purple. There. I think I'm pretty close to being done. I said I was going to add some blue and I didn't do that, and I don't think I want to, but I do have some Modern Masters. No, it was an Art Minds, and I'm not seeing it, but I know it's here. There it is. I also want to take a skewer and move a few of these things. Just merge them on either side so they make a stripe. Kind of want another one right there. Fortunately, I have enough paint in my shovel. Come out. I thought I had enough paint in my shovel. I got enough paint in my containers. Now, if it's time to dot, this is the time. I think I might have bitten off more than I can chew. I think I have more than I need here. And I'm going to have to do something about it pretty quick. But I can also use my shovel if I want to. To add a few embellishments that I kind of like a lot. Just by dipping in. Yeah, I like those. Sure, why not? In for a penny, in for a pound. I'm wondering what to do with this down here. And I'm thinking just adding another finger is probably okay. Just looking for places that could use another mark and making that other mark. So that's pretty bizarre, really. And if I want to be able to use all of my paint, I'm going to have to keep moving. So what am I going to do with this? I kind of like this. Just going to dip my skewer in. As I always say, a little spiral never hurt anything. I'm getting somewhere. I don't hate it. I actually like it. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, saying thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the wonderful comments. Thank you for the contributions that have kept me painting all this time. And if you'd like to be somebody who helps continue keeping me painting, look for the exhibition video on the end screens of any video, and you will find the prizes included in the video. Yes, I want that right there. Alright, this is different, and the only thing I'm really super not sure about is right here. And so rather than have it draw attention because it's white, I'm going to have it draw attention because it's weird. Now if there's anywhere else I want that color, now's the time to put it before you guys are gone. I love you guys. There's 86,700 and probably almost 86,800 pretty quick here. So I can put that anywhere I want. And I never complain about my purple flash from Folk-Art. And I love you guys. And please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for the great comments. I hope you never get tired of leaving them for me. They're definitely morale boosting. That one lonely dot needs help. So let's give it a little help. That's fine. I'm good. I love you guys. You guys take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, reminding you that you can find playlists on my YouTube channel, numbering over 1,300 videos, organized by genre and organized by the 100. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipe, it's under the video. Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter links, and Teespring links, as well as Pixels and Fine Art America, and Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation, Totes and More, and Fans and Collectors are all under the link tree underneath the video. Teespring link has all over print t-shirts and leggings. My email address will get you in contact with me if you have an interest in purchasing an artwork or reserving a class. I love you guys very much. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, reminding you that PayPal and Patreon will get you where you want to be if you want to be in the monthly contest. Excuse me, it's a drawing. It's definitely not a contest. And I just dotted that. Bye for now.